I don't know where to start with this video. Well, apart from the beginning. So I stopped taking on patios and driveways. I'm just taking on brickwork now and pizza ovens. Easy stuff for me to do because my body just can't do it anymore. So first job I priced up for ages. I went to see some fella. He wants a garden wall done down the side of his drive. Yeah, brilliant. He said he'll supply the materials and everything. Great. All right, easy. Easy money. That's the type of stuff I want to do from now on because my body just can't do it. So I get to the house, opens the door, starts chatting. 15 minutes later, I've heard his life story. I'm just stood there like that. Just all I can hear is white noise. Just I can see his mouth moving, blah, 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 and my brain's just freaking turned off. So he said he's done the foundations for the wall. Foundations for the wall and bloody miles off. Like a bag of shit it is. Started digging in with it with my hands. And I just digging in, just like flipping sand. Just absolute flipping punk. And he's like, no, foundations should be fine. I'm thinking, there's no way I'm building a wall on foundations like this because it's flipping rubbish. So I'm not doing it. Didn't say that. My brain's saying that. If I'm going to do this job, I'm going to have to take it all out myself and redo it myself. Bricky always wants to do his own foundations because he knows how to do it properly. Yada, yada, yada. So he's got clay paviers going down the drive. All right, okay. So I'm just thinking, right, okay, the wall's got to go there. I'm looking at the gap now for the paviers, which all have to be cut to go in there. So I'm trying to explain to him the bond of the paviers is two that way, two that way, two that way, two that way, yada, yada. So I'm just trying to explain the way to do the cuts. And he's like, no, I think the cut should be done this way. And I'm trying to explain to him, I've been doing this for years. And he just wouldn't have it. And he was adamant as hell. And I just got pissed off. And I just grabbed my book, my tape, my phone, and I just fucked off. But I tell you what, I'm fed up sometimes. Go around, see some jobs, and they're full of shit. Really does my head in. Right, rant over. Back to doing whatever you were doing.